Welcome back, guys. Did you got stuck on internal error in Soul Knight Prequel game? Well, many users have been reporting about the error and looking for fixes. Don't worry, as in this video, I will show you some best ways to fix internal error in Soul Knight Prequel on Android, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe us for latest videos. Okay, let's move ahead. The foremost thing that you should do is to check Soul Knight Prequel status. Basically, the problem is from server end, after which you come through this kind of error. So you should check this and wait if there is any downtime. Second solution is to check the internet connection. Poor or unstable internet can put you in trouble, hence leading to such unexpected error in the game. So you should make sure to have a strong internet connection to avoid any kind of error. Third solution, exit the game once and again come back after few minutes. You may get out of the game while using card packs or cheats. So it's better to leave the game, but make sure not to click on return to main menu, as it can delete your stuff. Fourth solution, clear the app cache and data of Prequel server status. It's one of the best trick to fix the error and play the game without any interruption. Just go to settings, click on apps, look for Soul Knight Prequel, tap on storage, and finally tap on clear cache and clear data. Fifth solution, log out and again log in to the game. This is an effective trick to fix the error easily. Just click on logout option and again log in to the game after waiting for few minutes. I hope this trick works for you. The next solution is to disable VPN service if you are using. Many users use this service, but unfortunately, it can put you in trouble and stop you from playing. Therefore, you should turn off the VPN service and then check if it has helped you. Seventh solution is to reinstall the Soul Knight Prequel game. This is also an effective solution to fix internal error in Soul Knight Prequel. Just click the app from home screen and tap on uninstall option. Now, open Google Play Store and search for Soul Knight Prequel. Finally, tap on install option. Last solution is to take help from Soul Knight Prequel support. If none of the fixes helps you from getting out of the error, then it's better to contact the team and tell them about the error. Hopefully, they will look into this and resolve it. So all these are some possible fixes for internal error in Soul Knight Prequel.